We started the landfill here. It was opened in 1974. On the landfill size, we have about 550 acres here. We basically serve two counties. That's what we're called bi-county. It's Montgomery County and Stewart County. About 300 trucks a day, which we're averaging about 1,000 tons a day. What we handle here at the landfill is everything, household waste, white goods. We do recycle. We take everything except hazardous waste. Cat equipment we're using out here, two 836s, and we have an 826 present. We have both of them up there. We're using the combination wheels on our compactor 836, just a variety of waste that we get and the sludge, and we think they're working best for us. Our guys through the years really like the 973 loaders, and we have 5 of them now. In general, on our compaction rates, I think our engineers use 1,300 pounds cubic yard for our compaction. That's what they generally use when you start figuring how much life in landfill, how much you're using. And since we've been using 836 and using our GPS system that's showing the number of passes, we just achieved 1703, almost a year and a half worth of waste put in that area. We gained 2 to 3 years of life in that one cell because of the compaction rate we're getting. With getting our best compaction rates we're getting now, we're using 4 to 5 passes, and we have that tracked on our GPS system. An operator can feel when they've got something compacted that's riding on top of the waste. This really helps them even more, I think. The machine communicate with each other, and you can see on the same screen, and it's been real helpful. I didn't have a hard time selling that because I really believe in it. 30 years I've been here, we've had a lot of things, wires that want to get in final drives. And Caterpillar has advanced technology to help keep that from happening with their garden system. Final drive repairs have been a whole lot fewer in between now. Our local dealer here, Thompson Machinery, they do a good job helping us trying to decide on what equipment we might need that's best for the application that we have. They're real supportive on that. They have a local store here that's not far from us. They pretty much come, we need them. Pretty good service with them also. Our parts availability on our cat equipment through Thompson, I think they do a good job. You got the garbage doesn't stop, it keeps coming in, so we have to keep equipment going. We've been able to use Sourcewell, and that kind of narrows it down for us. That's a good price. Sometimes it can be overwhelming looking at some of the paperwork. You may have a person, an agent, us being a county entity like that. Usually a dealer will help you out, ours has with that, so it's worth what little bit of paperwork it may seem like that they're having to do, but it's well worth it. Cat overall is a better performance. Everyone likes running the cat equipment, and they definitely have the support system that others don't have. That's what we've found through our experience.